Hello, Mom and Sir. I am Crisel Buliosos Piquet, 34 years old from Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Mindanao, Philippines. I am already married and have three kids. The eldest is a 14-year-old boy, followed by a 7-year-old girl, and the youngest is a 4-year-old boy. I am a college graduate. I have six siblings consisting five boys and two girls. I am the fourth child in the family. Moving to my experiences, I have an experience taking care of kids, specifically 15 years old, 7 years old, and 6 years old, and also below. Since I was in my college secondary level up until my college days in order to support my studies financially. I was also been a house helper from one of my college instructor way back and has maintained my positive feedback. Hiring me is a great decision because I am good at handling kids and their different moods and tantrums. I am also a pet lover and I value the kids who entrusted to me. You don't have to worry much because I work with integrity and cleanliness, the most important behavior to have. And I'll make sure that everything goes well until the end of my contract. Now, see you in a bit, my future employer. Thank you.